a Fringle, slacken ties and not to look at you in the shoe, but the eyes find the eyes. Find me and follow me through corridors or factory files. You must follow, leave this academic factory. Will find me in the matinee, the dark of the matinee. It's better in the matinee, the dark of the matinee is mine. Yes, it's mine. A time every journey to bump into you. Accidentally I charm you and tell you of the boys I hate, all the girls I hate, all the words I hate, all the clothes I hate, how I'll never be anything I hate. You smile, mention something that you like, or how you'd have a happy life if you did the things you like. Find me and follow me through corridors, factories and files. You must follow, leave this academic factory. You will find me in the matinee, the dark of the matinee. It's better in the matinee, the dark of the matinee is mine. Yes, it's mine. So I'm on BBC Two now, telling Terry Wogan how I made it out. What I made is unclear now, but his deference is, and his laughter is. My words and smile are so easy now. Yes, it's easy now. Yes, it's